I'm Samer. I sit at Karolinska Institute. For the last 4 years, I have been teaching all my students and inspiring them how they can communicate the idea using the NABC model. It's actually about trying to identify four major important factors of an idea. Is actually first we need to find out, is there a need for that, and if there is a need, how can we approach that need and how can we solve it, who will benefit from that, and who's our competitors, so we can understand more about the market and we can understand more about the idea itself. I usually work with students with medical background, and for those students it's really hard for them to communicate their idea. Most of the time they rely on research and their solution, and they have really hard time to explain what they exactly do. So once you teach them that methodology and how they can divide their idea into four different aspects, it becomes easier for them to grasp the attention of the person in front of them. They can understand how to clearly state the need of their research and how they are doing it, who will benefit from that, and who's competing with them on the same thing. The biggest advice that I tell everyone is to spend most of the time on the problem. And that's why this method is really important, because it identifies the problem. And is there a real need? Because again, it's all about ideas. Ideas are everywhere. But the real need is very hard to find it or try to decipher it from the idea. So it's really important that you focus on the problem, try to identify the real need, and then find a solution for it.